Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a fragrance that has been making waves in the world of unisex perfumes, Matiere Premier's Santal Austral. This woody and warm scent is described as being ideal for cooler weather, and it promises a long-lasting fragrance with sandalwood, amber, and spicy notes. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Santal Austral is a 3.4 eau de parfum spray that brings together the rich, creamy aroma of sandalwood with the earthy warmth of amber and subtle spices. This fragrance was created for anyone who loves a deep, elegant scent without being overpowering. The beauty of this fragrance lies in its unisex appeal, making it versatile enough for anyone to wear during the cooler months, where heavier, warmer scents tend to shine. Now, when you first spray it, the sandalwood is the star of the show. It's smooth, creamy, and a little sweet, but it's quickly followed by the warmth of amber, which adds a rich, resinous depth. The spices are there, but they don't overwhelm. They simply complement the woodiness of the sandalwood. It's not a fresh or citrusy fragrance, so if you're a fan of more vibrant, fruity notes, this might not be your go-to. But if you love a cozy, grounding scent, you might find yourself hooked. In terms of wearability, I've been testing this one in different settings: morning, evening, and even after a workout. The scent holds up well, lasting throughout the day without fading too quickly. I've noticed that as it dries down, the fragrance gets even smoother and a little warmer, which is perfect for the chilly weather. It doesn't punch you in the face with sharp, overpowering notes, but it does make a subtle yet lasting impression. The fragrance stays close to the skin, creating this enveloping aura rather than projecting out in a cloud. When it comes to performance, Santal Austral delivers. The longevity is impressive, lasting from morning until the evening with only a slight reapplication needed after about 8 hours. The sillage is moderate, meaning it won't leave a trail behind you, but it'll still be noticeable when people are close. That's great for those who prefer a more intimate scent, without it being too strong for others to pick up at a distance. Let's talk about the pros. The fragrance is undeniably elegant and deep, offering a sophisticated and cozy profile perfect for colder months. It's versatile, leaning into that unisex category, so it's suitable for a wide audience. The longevity is another win. You're getting a fragrance that works well throughout the day without needing constant touch-ups. On the flip side, the cons are mostly related to personal preferences. If you're someone who loves light, fresh, or floral fragrances, this could feel a bit heavy for daily wear. The spiciness, while subtle, can also be a little much for those who prefer more straightforward, simpler scents. Another downside could be the price. It's on the higher end of the spectrum for a niche fragrance, so it may not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. In terms of value for money, I think this fragrance offers a solid experience for those who are willing to invest in a luxurious and unique scent. If you're someone who appreciates a rich, complex fragrance with excellent performance, the price could be justified. However, if you're more inclined towards light, airy perfumes, or you're watching your budget, you may find other options more appealing. Comparing it to similar fragrances on the market, Santal Austral stands out for its smooth, creamy sandalwood base with a balance of amber and spice. There are other woody perfumes out there, but what makes Santal Austral unique is its versatility and subtle depth. It's not overly sweet or too heavy, making it a fantastic unisex option. If you're willing to spend a little more, this one is certainly a standout. As for build quality, the packaging feels luxurious, sleek and minimalistic, with a sturdy bottle that reflects the elegance of the fragrance itself. I also appreciate the sprayer. It delivers the perfect amount of product with each spray, giving you just the right balance of fragrance without wasting any. So, who would benefit most from Santal Austral? If you're someone who enjoys woody fragrances with a touch of spice and warmth, this could easily become your signature scent. It's also great for anyone looking for a fragrance that works well in both casual and formal settings. However, if you tend to lean towards fresh, floral, or fruity notes, this may not be for you. If this review has been helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us continue providing honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching. If you've used Santal Austral or are thinking about trying it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.